Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your TikTok videos with TikTok, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize your TikTok videos, start by understanding your audience. Identify your target demographic to tailor your content accordingly. Next, research trending topics and sounds on TikTok. Use the Discover tab to find popular trends that resonate with your niche. Once you have a trending topic, brainstorm unique concepts for your video. Keep your video length in mind, aim for the ideal duration of 15 to 30 seconds. Ensure that your video has an engaging hook within the first few seconds. Use high-quality visuals and clear audio to enhance the viewer's experience. Incorporate popular music or sounds from TikTok's library to attract more viewers. Engage with your audience through creative captions and relevant hashtags. Use 3 to 5 hashtags to increase your video's visibility without cluttering it. Add a call to action in your video or caption to encourage interaction. Edit your videos professionally by using in-app tools or editing software. Experiment with different video formats, such as tutorials, challenges, or behind the scenes. Once posted, monitor your video analytics to understand what works best. Engage with comments and feedback to build a community around your content. Lastly, remain consistent with your posting schedule for better audience retention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.